Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about Boolean laws. Okay. So a plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. We have single variable a. Okay. A can be either 0 or 1. Plus means logical or. Okay. So a can be either 0 or 1. So first I am applying 0. Okay. So 0 or 1, it gives 1 at the output. Okay. Now I am applying 1 to the input A. Okay. So 1 or 1 is equal to 1. Okay. In OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, then the output will be 1. Okay. Already we have 1 in the second value. Okay. So 1 is ORed with A, we will get 1. Okay. If any one of the input is 1, then the output will be 1. So whatever be the value of A, you will get the output 1. Okay. Next, A plus A. Okay. A plus A is equal to A means 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. In this also we have single variable. So A can be either 0 or 1. First I am applying 0 to the input A. So first value is 0, second value is also 0. So we will get the 0 at the output. Next I am applying 1. First input is 1, second input is also 1. So 1 or 1, it gives 1. Okay. So when you apply 0 to the input A, you will get the same 0 at the output. If you apply 1 to the input, the same 1 will be available at the output. Okay. So the value of A is reflected on the output. So A plus A is equal to A. When you apply 0, you will get 0. When you apply 1, you will get 1. So A plus A is equal to A. Okay. Plus means logical OR. Okay. Next, A plus 0 is equal to A. In this also we have single variable A. A can be either 0 or 1. Okay. First I am applying 1 to the A. Okay. 1 plus 0. Okay. So in OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, then the output will be 1. So output will be 1. Next I am applying 0. If both inputs are 0, then the output will be 0. Okay. So if you apply 1, you will get the 1 at the output. If you apply 0 to the A, then you will get the same 0 at the output. Okay. So A plus 0 is equal to A. The value of A is reflected at the output. Okay. So A plus 0 is equal to A. Next, A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here also we have only one variable A. A can be either 0 or 1. Okay. Plus means logical OR. Okay. In OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, then the output will be 1. Okay. So when you apply 1 to the A, now one input is 1. So you will get 1 at the output. Next I am applying 0. A bar is 1. So now we have one of the input is 1. So if any one of the input is 1, then you will get the 1 at the output. Okay. So whatever be the value of A, 0 or 1, you will get the output 1. The value of A is not reflected on the output. Okay. If you give 0, you will get the 1. If you apply 1, you will get the output 1. So whatever be the value of A, you will get the output 1. Okay. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. Plus means logical OR. Okay. Okay, thank you.